Kraksalo state level ni Jotto bankers committee ni Adongrok na Twiwi Rajakhor Agulini Rabindra Bhavan Khlaijakha credit outreach Panda Manjakha finance service department secretary Nagraju chief secretary Sinha finance department secretary Prashanta Kumar Goyel West Hangkor DM Dr.Vishal Kumar SBI Bankni managing director no Khobwi Kubun Bankni Adongrok
of Financial Services Government of India, Shri Kumar Sinha.
On the dais, সম্মানিত অতিথিবৃন্দ ভারত সরকার ও
Paslo Jati Kathar Musungoi Credit Outreach Pandano Jingshawi Rekha Financial Department Secretary Nagraju. Ashli Pandao Koksanan Thangu Secretary Nagraju Shaka Hakotuni Lukorokno Beneficiaries Loan Bahaike Naharzaknai no Tui Shawikhana Rajakha. Abaikino Pradhan Montri Mudra Yojana no Tui Shaka. Ashlo PMJZBY, PMSBY, Atal Pension Yojana, PM Sanidi, Stand Up India, PM Bishakarma Day Kisan Credit Card no Twiwi Shazakha Koklam.
Are doing very well, both the public and private sector banks. We had excellent growth last year. It's about 15.9%, one of the highest ever in Indian history. And this year also we are going to witness very good growth of the bank for the two reasons. We have good capital base, all the private and public sector banks, we have good capital, and also our NPAs are lower compared to the past. Even this year, the NPAs are declined further. It's less than 0.4%. And the government also, under the leadership of the Prime Minister, we also launched the trade guarantee program for about 2.25 lakh crore due to this West Asia issue. And this is going to provide a lot of support to the small and medium enterprises in the country, including Tripura. Now you have seen today we have both in Tripura and Nagraju, we have covered almost about 8,000 kind of beneficiaries.
Sanctioned by Tripura Government Bank, India, an education loan. Sanctioned by State Bank of
Rajakhor Agulini Shimi Omit Nikok Chini Khorang.